COVID-19 infections in Tokyo have hit an all-time high. More than 2,800 new cases have been confirmed in the Olympic host city just days after the Games began. Japan's Prime Minister says the record infections are not a problem for the Games. But Yoshihide Suga has urged people in Tokyo to stay home unless absolutely necessary.
The spectatorless Olympics are in full swing in Tokyo, but the shadow of the pandemic looms large, with the host city now reeling from a record number of new COVID-19 infections.
この車の制限だとかテレワーク、そしてまさに皆さんのおかげさまによりまして人流は減少しています。そういう中で、そういう人流は減少してますので、そうした心配はないとこのように思っています。
The fifth wave of the pandemic, driven by the Delta variant, is piling pressure on Tokyo's hospitals. Authorities have asked medical facilities to get more beds ready for COVID-19 patients. They've also been urged to push back planned surgeries and scale down on other treatments. Still, the numbers may not tell the whole story. Experts believe a 4-day weekend to celebrate the opening of the Games is likely to have led to a backlog of testing, resulting in today's record tally.
今までオリンピックが始まる前は600人とか700人とかだったのに急に2倍とか4倍になっていて、ちょっと前の数字が逆に正しかったのかなとか、外国人の方が増えてきたからなのかっていう不安な気持ちはありますね。
Over at the Olympic Village, 7 more cases have been confirmed, including 2 athletes. That takes the total linked to the Games to more than 150, including a dozen officers who provide security at venues. But organizers say the infection rate is still very low.
But I would just urge you to look at the 0.02% figure and compare that with probably anywhere else. I think it's really worth looking not just at the measures, the vaccination measures and the distancing measures, 0.02%. I know from my experience, not here, but I know from my experience, I think a lot of countries would be incredibly happy with that figure. You can't reduce risk to zero, but you can certainly get very close to that.
A strict quarantine bubble system has been set up at the Olympic Village, where 11,000 people are staying.